Where's Holly? I could not find her anywhere. Holly! No, not in Dad's room. The guitar room. She's upstairs. I don't know how many I did. Maybe it's 10 or 11, I don't know. That's how old I am. I'm gonna be 12 soon. On my birthday. I'm gonna be 12 soon. On my birthday. Oh! Hi, Holly. Hi. Hello. Why? It's too dark in here.